Classes are a series of sessions that are offered by your business. After creating a class type, you can schedule the classes for clients to sign up. To schedule a class, click the Schedule tab on the top menu. The schedule is displayed. Click Add. A submenu is displayed. Click Add Class. A list of class types is displayed in the left pane. Select the class type that you want to schedule. If you have not yet created the class type, click Create Class to jump directly to the new class type creation page. Enter the details required to schedule the class. Click Save and Exit to schedule the class and return to the schedule. The class can now be booked by clients if they meet the prerequisites and the set booking policies are met for that class. You can also modify a class schedule at any time by clicking the class you would like to edit on the schedule and clicking the Modify Schedule button.